In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Kajabi for payment setup. This is an essential task for setting up your online business to accept payments smoothly through Kajabi, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure everything is set up correctly. First, you'll need to log into your Kajabi account. Head over to kajabi.com and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the option labeled Settings and give it a click. This is where we'll start setting up your payment integrations. Now that you're in the Settings menu, search for the section called Payment Integrations. This is where you'll be able to connect different payment processors with your Kajabi account, allowing you to receive payments directly. Click on the Payment Integrations link to see the available options. You'll notice there are a couple of choices here: Stripe and PayPal. For today, we're focusing on Stripe. Locate the Connect Stripe button and go ahead and click on it. This button will redirect you to Stripe's secure login page where you can proceed with the connection process. If you already have a Stripe account, simply enter your credentials to log in. For those who don't have an account yet, you'll need to click Sign Up to get started. Creating a new account will require some basic information such as your business name, bank account info, and possibly some tax details. Be prepared with these details to make the process as seamless as possible. Once you're logged into Stripe, a prompt will appear asking you to authorize Kajabi to connect with your Stripe account. This authorization is necessary for the systems to communicate and transfer payment information securely. Click on Authorize Access to this account. After you authorize it, you should be redirected back to your Kajabi account. Now, in your Kajabi dashboard, return to the Payment Integrations page. Here, you should see that Stripe is now marked as connected. This indicates that the integration has been successful and your accounts are linked properly. To make sure everything is set up correctly, it's a good idea to test the connection. Navigate to the Offers section in Kajabi. When you create or edit an offer, check to see if Stripe appears as a payment option. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully connected Stripe to Kajabi. This concludes today's setup process. By following these steps, you can now process payments through Stripe on your Kajabi site, ensuring smooth transactions for your customers. Feel free to revisit any step if needed, and stay tuned for more tutorials.